Hi, do you know you can check customer details, make payments using the shortcode *494 *300 hash? It's simple, quick, and convenient. Dial *494 *300 hash. The following options will appear on the screen. 1. My account. 2. Make payments. 3. Product and services. 4. Tips and tricks. 5. Packages. 6. Contacts. In this video, we'll focus more on option 1. Option 1 is My Account. Here, you can view important information such as account details. Select option 1 from the list to view account details and enter the customer's PayGo ID, and the following details will appear: name, contact details, district, total days active, payment number, and contact number. If you are still unable to check the customer's account details, please feel free to reach out to us on 0979 165 740. My name is Ruth from the Agent Care Department.